Hey guys, Greg Pittman here with Greg Pittman Drone and Tech. Today I got the little Mavic 2 out. Shouldn't call it a Mavic Mini 2. And we're going to do a little wind test on it today. So let me get this thing all set up and we'll get her up in the air. I'm going to use an iPad Mini 5 today. See how it works. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay guys, readjusting the camera here so that you'll be able to catch some of this in action. Let's bring it down just a hair for right now, then I'll bring it back up. Let's go ahead and get this thing in the air again. And then we will hopefully get it up by the tree so you guys can see how well it holds its position. Come on. Here we go. Go fly. And we're back up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, let's get it up here. And when you fly in a windy day, you make sure you know the direction of the wind before you launch. Okay, we're going to go forward here. Take it up. Try to get it in between the trees there so you guys can see how the wind is that it's taking on up there. Move it on out here a little bit, move a little closer to the trees, which is not a good idea because you don't know what happens when the wind's blowing, but we will see. So we get some pretty good gusts coming through here. There's a good hard gust right there. Look at that dude, man. It's just holding its spot. You just don't get that with anything but a DJI. That little guy's holding its own. We'll go ahead and spin it around on its axis. Look at it. It's just sitting there. Any other drone, if you did a turn like that, in these windy conditions, it would be all over the place. It couldn't hold its own. Well, maybe an Evo could. I'll tell Evo, but talking about your cheaper drones, they just not going to do it. Your Hubsons, your Femies. That's quite a feat. Anyway, you seen it. It held real good. I'm happy with it. I want to end up flying it into the trees when I did. But I want to come out here later tonight and get some shots of the sunset. Look at that little dude, man. It's getting pushed, but it's coming right back to home. It's holding its spot. Got a plane a-coming. Come down. Oh, he's way over there. Here we are. The little beast. The little beast. Okay. Bring it down here and catch it. Alright. There we go. How's that for a wind test? It's a Midwest wind test. Anyway, guys, that's all I got. Hope you like the stuff. Hit the like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.